According to the plans, our seat front and rear rail, as well as our backrest lower and upper rail, are all cut to a length of 47 inches. This is our finished length. There is a possibility that the ends of our boards are not perfectly perpendicular to the edge or perfectly 90 degrees. We want to begin by first re-squaring the end of each of these boards, taking off as little as possible. And before I do this, I'm going to mark the ends of all of my boards just so I can remember which ones I've cut. I'm then going to set up a stop block at 47 inches, which is our finished length measurement, and making sure to line up my cut end with my stop block, so I am removing my uncut end. I can complete those cuts. And all four of those pieces are now sitting at my finished length measurement of 47 inches. My backrest lower rail is at 2 inches width. My backrest upper rail is 2.5 inches width, and my seat front and rear rails are at 3 3/4 inches width.